everybody. Hi, I'm Caroline Cole, and I think I just learned how to plug in my mic for the first time. So this one should sound a little bit better than the previous ones. Yes, I am a voiceover artist, and no, I am not technologically particularly savvy. Welcome to the business of storytelling. I learned things along the way. Hi, I'm Caroline Cole. I work as a creative professional and a sort of Jackie of all trades. Technology is not necessarily one of them. Today we are back in the voiceover realm, which is very exciting. I'm unpacking some common confusion between speed and energy. If you've ever been in a live recording session, then probably often, those live recording sessions are directed by clients who know what they want, but they aren't necessarily voiceover professionals, and they haven't necessarily worked as voiceover professionals. You're likely to receive some vague and sometimes confusing feedback. That was a perfect take. Let's do just one more, for safety. Try something totally different. Can we go again faster, but also calmer? Great, let's try that again with more energy, but also could you please slow it down? Oh, that was good, but I think we need it smoother, like jazz, or like, the skin of a wet baby seal. Okay, I was kidding about that last one. But still, the other three are definitely things that I've been on the receiving end of. I've heard when I'm in a live session, either remotely or in person, and the answer is always, yes, of course, I can totally do that. However, that's not always easy. It's a misdirection or miscommunication that you're getting from the director. And that's the conflation of speed and energy in a performance. It's thinking that speed and energy mean the same thing, because contrary to popular belief, speed and energy are not synonymous. Saying something faster doesn't mean it has more energy. And slowing something down doesn't inherently bring the energy level down either. So let's unpack this just a little bit. Speed is how quickly you speak. That's all, okay? It's not related to energy. It's not related to volume even. You can speak quickly in a loud and boring monotone voice. Loud and boring monotone voice. Loud and boring monotone voice, right? Loud and boring, monotone voice, quick, slow, not really related to energy. You can also play with a character that's whispering directions slowly with a lot of energy, right? There's energy in that, even though it was slow and kind of quieter. Energy is the intensity you bring to the words themselves. It's not related to speed. Yes, this may seem counterintuitive, but it's a really important distinction for a voiceover artist to understand. It's crucial if you're gonna give an expert delivery. So energy and speed are not the same. Speaking with energy is much more interesting, and it's much more engaging than simply barreling through a script. Okay, I'm gonna give you a sentence, and you're gonna say it as quickly and as boring as you can, okay? So completely devoid of energy. Here's the sentence. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. So we can say that quickly and boringly. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. Quick, boring, devoid of emotion. Okay, now let's take that same sentence and say it slowly and deliberately with energy dripping from every word. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. Slow, full of energy. This product will change your life and give you the salary you need to succeed. Being able to master that difference, the energy between those. The difference is totally unreal if you're really listening, and I hope you're practicing on your own. Being able to master those separate skills of speed versus energy are really gonna bring a lot more variety and professionalism to your voiceover work. So good luck, fellow voiceover artists. I hope you get to use that this week in your work and in your auditioning. Hooray! Thanks for tuning in to the Business of Storytelling. I'm Caroline Cole, and I hope you will follow me on Instagram at Caroline Cole Stories, at Twitter at C Cole Stories, and right here on YouTube, like, rate, subscribe. I have to say these things because they're important. Love you all. See you next week.